I learned that I really like talking to people my own age because I never really did that growing up or in my early 20s. And there just was never an avenue for it for me. But here you have all these, young folks coming together in such a wholesome, dharmic way. And the fact that we have similar values kind of, I think, makes me more excited. And yeah, this is just a rarefied environment where you can have really deep and meaningful conversations with young people, which I haven't had before. So that's what's really precious about it.